Okay. Okay, 1 minute. It's starting. It's started. Okay. Do you mind if I say, my intro on this? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay. Hi guys, it's Wolfpack back here again, and today I'm here with my friend Blizzard. You know. Okay. So guys, today we are going to be hunting. Let's get this started. Maybe on another server we could, raise pups, but I don't know if we're gonna do that today. As you all might know, I've started a series, or I might start another after I finish this one with Halo. So I don't know if the videos are posted yet. They might be weird because I posted them on my phone. My phone doesn't work that good with it. So, you know. And also, I'm telling this to my friend as we speak, so, you know. We might do a roleplay, and guys, sadly, Little is not on, and if Little was on, I would not be doing a video. She's very, very, very camera shy. I call her Little, so you guys will not know her full, username, so you cannot find her on WolfQuest. I don't want you to, because if you make a video with her, she'll be very unhappy, and will not like to come on WolfQuest. I've never made a video with Little. I'm just not going to lose her as my friend. Okay? Okay, that's weird. I feel like my only way to talk to them is by voice chat, but I'm already talking, not on voice chat, so heh. Oh, okay. That's fine. Oh god, they just fell. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, I'm setting them back up. Okay, there. I fixed it. Did I fix it? I think I did. I know. My drink I set it on, it's like tipping back. And that doesn't help. Okay, coming. Huh. Have you ever named the wolves that try to take your pups in the when you play with pups? Oh my gosh, I've named them 8 million times. They all have their own individual name, and I can't remember their names, but you know. Have you ever named them? I name them all the time. Don't be ashamed. Okay, y'all. I'm just gonna keep on doing this for a while. Oh, my channel, Wolfpack, or, you might have to type in Carrie Williams to get to it, but I don't know. I'll have to check after this if you can get to it either way. I can't remember. So, or actually, AFK. I'll check right now. I'm not shutting off WolfQuest, you know, but I'm just gonna real quick search on YouTube. Okay? Okay, y'all. Sorry. I'm checking, y'all. Don't mind me. Oh, that. Of course, I spelled it wrong. But you know. Oh my god. Sorry, y'all. Oh, whoopsie. Sorry, chicken. Ha! I found it! Oh, sorry, y'all. This is my vlog. And this is one of my vlogs. Please like and subscribe to Carrie Williams. And, it's 1 year ago, and how many subscribers do I have? Ah! Okay, to find one of my vlogs, you need to type in Carrie Williams, and it will come up as vlog. Okay, y'all can hear it. I'm gonna pause it. My face doesn't have its glasses like normal. Yeah, no. Well, now you know I have glasses, hey. If you want. Okay. Oh my gosh, my voice was like, okay. Like, I don't know what to call it, like, sassy, maybe? You can watch it while we're doing this, but that's gonna be pretty hard. I'm gonna watch one of my videos, honestly, just because I want to see how bad it was. And 2016, June 27th was the vlog. That's almost 1 year ago, and I don't have a lot of subscribers. It's fine with me, honestly. I'm happy posting. Okay, wait, so which one do you type in? You type in Carrie Williams. Read my I typed it. Okay, one of the vids names, was vlog. I was obsessed with a song, so if you hear the song, Blue, I think it was, you know, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, sorry. Oh. You type, okay, so it's all lowercase. So I talked quiet. Oh no, my computer's gonna die. BRB. No. It has to be all lowercase. Do not type in Wolfpack. Carrie Williams, all spaced. Just type in Carrie Williams. You'll see a lot of other ones, but scroll down to one that's vlog and it has a face on it with very bad, to me, very bad lighting. Dang, I was gonna ask for you to hand me your computer, but you know I can't do that. Type in Carrie Williams, lowercase. I found my channel easily without even going to the channel search thing, whatever you call it. Home channel thing page. Who knows? Okay, y'all. Okay, it's been 11 minutes of my video, and I am done with the video, so you know. Okay, I'm gonna do my outro. Bye, guys. I will see you again sooner or later for another video. Maybe even a Sims video. Who knows? I did a Sims video today. Bye, guys.